Hey guys, welcome back to another Spec Geek adventure. My name is Tommy, and today we are going to be installing some new parts on my NC Miata. They are the APR GT3 mirrors made in carbon fiber. These NC specific brackets made by R Theory. I got this whole package off of a guy from the NC for Sale Facebook group, and they are used but in pretty good condition. And let's do a quick comparison of the APR mirror to the stock mirror. They actually stick out just as far, but I would say the APR maybe like a touch closer to the body compared to the stock mirror. And here's a quick comparison with the stock mirror closed compared to the APR mirror. Keep in mind the APR mirror cannot be kind of rotated closed. It is just gonna sit like that. So when you are parking your car and things like that, there might be a chance that somebody might accidentally just like knock it a little bit, but nothing much you can really do. Wasn't able to disconnect this connector easily, so I just unhooked. Basically removed the two screws that attach this tweeter to the door. Just gonna leave it dangling for now, and you just need to also disconnect this the door lock switch connector. This is the connector that I am interested in removing. I believe this is for the mirror. Yeah, I had to unbolt this inner structure here to basically, there's a little clip here that I had to unhook. I can probably fish out this wire through. With the stock mirror removed, I also went ahead and cleaned up this area. There were just a lot of dirt and grime. Now it's ready to install the R Theory bracket. It's just two smaller bolt right here that secures the mirror. While the door panel is out, I am also gonna be adding this little cool add-on. This is a accessory from Mazda, brand new. Here's a part number, and it's a door switch panel. Let me show you guys what it is. It's brand new. So as you can see, this is a piano black painted trim piece that will be replacing the stock one here. which is made out of plastic. And I did also go ahead and put in a door pull, and I used the same screw that was securing the handle originally, and just kind of tuck the fabric to the inside of the door panel. Now I know that Jackson, his YouTube channel is Colin Light. He does sell a kit that's really nice with a dress-up bolt here and a 3D printed piece here that cover up this hole. So I may consider that down the road, but for now, I think it's okay. And I think it does match with the interior pretty well because I have red 6-point racing harness, and I think the red door pull does add some contrast to the rather plain black plastic door panel. And this is how the driver's side mirror look. The physical size of the mirror is much smaller compared to stock, but because it is a convex mirror, you do see much more in the mirror. I think previously, like, I would not be able to see anything past on the left, like the water sprout right there. But yeah, you just see so much more. And looking over to the driver's side, I mean the passenger side, sorry, same deal. You see much more, although it is much smaller in size. What I noticed that it's that the pillar here does not block the mirror, which is perfect because, like, I was rather concerned that the mirror would get blocked by this little pillar right here. And it is also rather sturdy. I don't think it's gonna rattle or anything like that. Like the adjustment, it's plenty, but also it's not so loose to the point it would just like flop around. So yeah, pretty happy with it. So if you guys have any questions about the mirror itself or the installation, make sure to drop them in the comment section. As always, please like and subscribe and follow us for more Spec Geek adventure. See you next time. Bye.